What up, Techies and Gamers? It's your boy Jermaine with Tech Toys and Gaming, and today I have a nice budget gaming headset treat for you, for all my gamers out there looking to game basically and not have to spend so much money. This gaming headset's about 23 to 25 bucks on Amazon. You can't lose with that, especially if the quality is pretty decent. And the headset I'm referencing is the Senzer SG500 gaming headset. It is in fact a stereo headset equipped with inline audio controls, also inline mute function. It is also foldable headset, so you can commute with it. Not the smallest headset, but you can fold it up and stuff it in your bag. So definitely portable somewhat. Nice big soft ear pads that you have on this headset, but it is also detachable magnetic ear pads. That's right. So if you ever wanted to take it off and clean it or replace it, you can get replacement ear pads. And this is the box that the headset comes in. Nice little flashy, glossy little product image there over a matte box. So I kind of like their branding here, black and orange there. Here is the actual headset. This is a very clean looking matte and some gloss finish here. On the top there you have some Senzer branding going, and for all intents and purposes it looks comfortable. The cushions on these headphones are actually pretty super soft here. Look at this. This is nice and squishy, almost like a very soft foam, right? Memory foam going on here. And on the inside, you have your left and right letters, let you know which side is your left and right in case you don't know what that is. Then you have your inline mic here. It's not detachable, but it is in fact some kind of flexible material. You can pretty much fold it in any format you like. It is very malleable. And of course, you have your little extensions going along the tops, little metal brackets where the headset slides up and down. And along the top edge, you also have some cushioning. So very kind of light, more or less. Feels very plasticky to the touch. Top is plastic, so there's really no metal components on this device other than the wire framing that is actually going into the top of the headpiece and connects to the actual headset. So looking at the build here, this actually feels pretty comfortable. There is little to no pressure, well, not much pressure going on right here in my ears, so I can see myself wearing this for quite some time. This is actually very comfortable, and I'm getting a nice seal here with this rubbery foamy padding here. I noticed there's like this little knob thing here on the side. It does nothing. There is no function for that. It doesn't twist anything. It seems like it is for pure aesthetic and design. Your volume controls are actually right here on your input, right? Your input line, your line in and line out, of course. So you have volume control and you have just a switch, quick little mute toggle switch here on the front. TRRS connection at the end here. TRRS means you have 3 stripes, so if you had an adapter you can connect it to an iPhone or iPad or Android device, so probably works with your mobile device as well. I wouldn't imagine you'd use this on your mobile device, maybe for mobile gaming, who knows, I don't know. And along with that you get a splitter here for mic and audio from a 3.5 millimeter jack. So effectively you can connect this to an audio mixer. You can connect this directly into your PS5, your Xbox, and your PC. Now to connect it to your PC, you're gonna need this actual splitter here for mic and audio in and output. Now, I even took it a step further so that when I actually connected this additional adapter to split, I used it for PC gaming through a USB extender, because my PC's far and then I would have to get an audio jack extender and then I also have to plug this. It's a mess. So I went around that through a special way. I utilized this microphone USB adapter. It has both input and output for headset as well as microphone. Pink to pink, green to green, that's typically kind of the standard, although you'll find some variations of those colors. and I have it looking like this. And if you have a USB extender, you can essentially just connect it to your PC like that. You are ready to rock and roll with both microphone and PC audio coming directly into your headset and microphone going out of your headset. So that was my workaround for this. So yeah, but you can just connect it directly to your PC if you like. Now, I did do a gameplay mic test with this as well as to see what the audio sounds like coming through these earphones. And well, here's a little bit of the mic sample, me playing a little bit of Tomb Raider. Oh, what the hell? You start off like... Damn, she put it in his ear? That was foul. Alright, here we go. This aquatic scene is beautiful. Look at the beauty of that. There's a frog there? Am I looking at the frog? I think I'm looking at the frog. Oh wow, you can see the fish in the water.
Knew a lot about hydraulics.
Oh, see marijuana plants? I'll take some of that. Oh, more over here.
Hope that this structure is here because we're on the bridge is down. Maybe we can lift it with those counterweights.
Maybe.
Oh, this looks pretty clean here.
I bet this water is drinkable.
What?
You want to try it?
Yeah, good luck with that.
I think I'll stick to the bottles you found in the cargo from the plane.
Oh, this nice stereo, left and right.
It's too heavy.
Come on, buddy.
Hand.
Stop messing around. You're the big guy here. Pour it in.
Water's filling the bucket.
Good. Let's see what those counterweights do.
What kind of primitive but advanced technology is this? The bucket's leaking. What?
Need to get the water flowing to the bucket.
What do you mean the bucket's leaking?
Okay, Jonah. You can let go.
Is that what I'm supposed to do?
That's it. Let's get across.
Alright, let's get across. Jump. Oh. Wow, you here already? No, some nerve. You invite me out here and just leave without me? So as you can see, techies and gamers, the microphone quality is what you would expect for a headset coming in at around 25 bucks on Amazon. So don't expect super stellar audio quality, but this thing will get the job done on a gaming session via Discord or any other app that you're using for capturing your audio. It will do just fine, and people will definitely hear you nice and loud and clear. And it is, in fact, in stereo, audio coming into your headphone, as well as microphone going out. So yeah, not bad for a $25 headset. Is it very loud and boomy? Not really. You have kind of a little bit of bass lacking with this headset, but the mid-tones and high tones, they are definitely there and nice and clear. I will say that there is some clarity, but you will be lacking in some bass. So I know a large majority of my followers and audience out there are budget gamers looking to look and sound pro and to game and stream, that sort of thing, without having to break the bank. Then this is just another one of those devices to help you get that bridge set up and crossed. So yeah, that's what it is for today. And if you're interested in this device, click the link in the description, takes you directly there, and get your gaming on. If you are interested in other higher quality, of course, if they're higher quality, they're going to be more expensive headsets. You can go ahead and check out these links right here. You will see a couple of other little bit more expensive headsets, but also bringing a little bit more features, a little bit more clarity and bass and all that good stuff. So go ahead and check those out and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.